but it's romantic evening. You leave me at my door, but tonight I'd like us to explore. The full moon is waiting in the twilight. Maybe soon you will come to be my night. Here we are, hoping that we never part. Stay with me, baby, won't you be my sweetheart? And we could share a storybook romance. Won't you be my sweetheart? So we could share a storybook romance. Baby, be my sweetheart. And we could share a storybook romance. Won't you be my sweetheart? Yeah. Baby. Oh yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh. Yeah 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 yeah. Oh. You know Casanova, I know that you'll be true, and that's why I'm so in love with you. But it's romantic evening, you leave me at my door, but tonight I'd like us to explore. The full moon is waiting in the twilight. Maybe soon you will come to be my night. Here we are, hoping that we never part. Stay with me, baby, won't you be my sweetheart? Stars are bright and the mood is right, but what I need is my own sweetheart tonight to keep me warm and away from harm, and nowhere is better than your loving arm.